Here I've got hammer blade, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer. Then click on more icon, which is 3 dots, one in the right upper corner, and then go to the settings. Here you will notice call blocking, so open it, and now simply tap on add a number to enter the particular number that you would like to block. So simply enter it, and then click on block. And from now on you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. If you would like to remove this number from your block list, click on the cross icon, confirm that you would like to unblock it, just tap on unblock, and as you can see, this number has been unblocked and will be able to reach you now. So that's it. This is how you can block a number in your device, in your hammer blade. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.